All right, welcome back on a soup sandwich type of Wednesday. In more ways than one, it is cold and rainy outside, and it's just looking all types of gross. Also, don't forget hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Um, will you stop doing that? Also, we've had standardized testing today, and none of my classes has gotten to be in class today. It's been awesome. So I'm having to record this in my planning period uh, separately. All right, so here we go. -7, -3. All right, so -7, -6, -5, -4, -3. All right. So, all right. And now our A value is 1. So if we plug this in, -5 plus 7, -5 plus 3. This gives us +2. This gives us -2. This is -4. Our A is positive. Alright, so our max is infinity. Our min is our vertex. Okay, there we go. Moving on. This would be -3 and +3. Our axis of symmetry, we should know that this would be 0 because that's in between them. Alright, so this would be -2, 0 plus 3, 0 minus 3, so that's -2 times 3 times -3. So that's going to be positive, whatever it is. So this is 18. Okay, A is negative, so our max is our vertex, and our min is -infinity. Fast version. Because you can always go back and hit pause and all that stuff. And no, I'm not hopped up on, I haven't had that much caffeine before this. But, you know, I could change that to +4 because it's minus a negative. Okay, come on. We should be able to stop that. So -18 equals A. All right, 2 plus 4, 6. This is -1. So -18 equals 6A. Divided by, oh, that's a -6. Divided by -6. All right, so A equals 3. So again, when I plug this in, this should be a +4, and this should be a -3. Gonna be like my third block class and put in random lyrics everywhere. Do 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 do, and just play that. Yeah, 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 yeah. 2 and 2. Color. Things matter. Alright, so this is 20 equals A. This should be 5. This should be -2. So this should be 20 equals -10A. Divide by -10, divide by -10. Alright, so this should be -2. Plug that, okay, so +3. And then -4. Again, if I'm going too fast, just go back, hit pause. Derp. Okay, this is where I think caused some issues because I thought I was doing something right yesterday, but you know, just can't have nothing. because I was thinking, hey, this is going to be divided by 2. I was wanting a 5 right here, but. And then, of course, I happen to put this on a handout where I don't have our calculators. And we get 5/2, which is, 2.5. Oh, that was probably supposed to be blue. And 2.5. So it doesn't matter. We still have calculators. We can, get this figured out. So 2 parentheses 2.5 squared minus 10 parentheses 2.5 plus 2, 10.5, negative 10.5. Okay, so negative 10.5. All right, this is positive, so our max is infinity. Our min is our vertex. 5, negative 10.5. I'll do more better on the numbers. FYI, BT dubs, TBH, IRL, all that kind of hoo-ha. I don't know. I'm talking to myself, which is kind of like teaching class half the time because, people are like, I don't understand what's going on. Well, quit giving yourself a colonoscopy. Some of y'all will get that. Other people, you know, it'll be all right. Negative 3 parentheses 1 squared plus 6, 1 plus 1. 4. I can't wait to hear the first person complain that this was too fast. But they can zoom in on Instagram. Yep. A is right here, it's negative 3, or H is right here, it's the opposite. So I know that goes there. X equals negative 7. Vertex negative 7. K is minus 5, minus 5, and minus 5. Wow! So cool when we know what to do. It just kind of happens naturally. So fun. This is 1A. So I'm going to do the math down here. The math is mathing. The math would be mathing more if some of y'all would quit mething. Probably shouldn't say that, but who knows. I don't do math anymore. Messes up my braces. Plus negative 9. Oh, see, this is where I can't do math in my head. Thought that was it, but I was worried about it. Oh, I forgot this thing. So this is negative, so our max is our vertex. And our min is negative infinity. Our A is 4. Our H is 6 and 6, and X equals 6 and 6 here. And then 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7, 8. let me answer this one. The max would be positive infinity for this one, and 6, 3 for this. Huh, almost forgot it again. Can't be doing that. So 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 4. This would be 7. This is 3a. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 7 plus 12 is 19. Dun, 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 dun. That's how it's done. And yes, that's probably about how quick I would do it personally. But that's just me. All right. Good stuff. Good things. Roll Tide.